Potential for another hot and dry summer just around the corner. It's become an important discussion among lawmakers, officials, and scientists on how to best manage fires, both logistically and economically. Senator Jon Tester was in Missoula today to discuss how to move forward without burning the bank. MTN's Jon Tester has the story.
2017 was the most expensive wildfire season ever for the state of Montana, and the damage done to both environments and budgets has left the state and Washington looking for a solution. Following a staggering $2.4 billion forest fighting effort, consuming more than half of the Forest Service budget, Senator Jon Tester drafted the Fire Grants Reauthorization Act, which would allow the government to provide grants to local and rural fire departments. Tester had a roundtable Saturday with representatives from the lumber industry, forest networking coordinators, the dean of the forestry department at the University of Montana, and directors from state resource management and forest land. At the roundtable, they spoke about the future of fighting wildfires proactively and focusing on what has been called fire borrowing. Fire borrowing is a budgetary practice that occurs when federal agencies divert funds from forest health and fire prevention programs to fight wildfires. This means that during a fire season, the Forest Service doesn't have the infrastructure to maintain trails, campgrounds, or work on any projects. Through grants and collaboration with industry, they hope to change that.
They would just stop all other work. Projects that could otherwise proceed just stop.
If we have an industry that's working in the woods, it's not all taxpayer dollars at risk, and in fact, we can end up even creating economy that can help contribute to forest restoration.
A charter project conducted by the Department of Natural Resources showed that when collaborating with the lumber industry, they are able to save nearly $1 million on restoration projects outside of Helena.
Could have been $1 million restoration project solely funded through taxpayer money. What it turned out to be is a $1.1 million restoration project with upwards of $900,000 paid for by the timber company because they purchased the logs.
The law also overturned the Cottonwood decision, a Ninth Circuit ruling that stonewalled important timber projects.
This will bring new enthusiasm for those partnerships that they're going to get something done, that they're not going to just sit around a table and talk, but they'll actually get practices on the ground.
Reporting in Missoula, Jon Tester, MTN News.
Tester spent the last 2 days meeting with experts to discuss wildfire management and homeland security in local law enforcement. Senator Tester also announced a $130,000 grant for the Community Health Care Center in Great Falls. The grant, secured through the U.S. Health Resources and Service Administration, will be used to keep the health center up and running and avoid layoffs. Community health centers across the state are cost-effective primary care options for underserved and uninsured Montanans.